please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Wednesday, May 28th. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rose 1.78% yesterday to settle at 42,343. Now, the Nasdaq spiked 2.5% to settle at 19,199. The Nasdaq 20K looms large. The S&P skyrocketed 2% to settle at 5,921. The markets are looking strong. Apple rose 2.5%. Apple is back above 200. The stock closed at $200.21. Apple. The big winner on the day was SBET. SBET, the stock skyrocketed, an epic and eye-popping 433% to settle at $35.83. The higher day, brand new 52-week high, $53.45. The volume turned up 54 million SBET. This stock is over 1,200% in 5 days. An incredible run, SBET. Dave's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out. Grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. This one could go bankrupt. SGBX. SGBX is up 207% at $1.71. Just wait for a pullback before you make an entrance. The higher day thus far in the pre, $2.66. SGBX has spikeability. For example, January 15th, the stock skyrocketed from 52 cents all the way to $1.92. The volume was 202 million on that day. In conjunction to that, November 6th, the stock spiked from 80 cents all the way to $1.64. The volume turned up 43 million. This one's in the metal fabrication space, and their headquarters out of Florida. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 4 million. They have 3 million in the float. 38% of the float are held by insiders. 7% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 14% of the float.
Shorts.
Price per sales, 0.24. This is SGBX. 200-day moving average, 70 cents. 5 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 2.32. They have a total cash of a low, 376K, and a total debt of a high, extremely high, 7 million in debt. Their current ratio is sitting way below par. Current ratio is sitting at a low, a lousy 0.08. This one might go bankrupt soon. Do not overstay your welcome. SGBX. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at @Petit for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, do your research, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care. SP and then LT. All right, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. We try to catch supernova moves early. Dave's play is SPI. You know SPI. SPI is back again. They're up 37% at 987. This one is a dangerous runner. On September the 23rd, it went from $1 to $46. bucks. Let that sink in for a bit. From $1 to $46 in one day. You do the math. I don't see any particular news, but go to my September the 23rd video for the numbers for the sake of time. All right, SPI, Dave's play. Dave's bonus play is STAF. I told you, let's start a position for the overnight and sell in the pre. This was up 23% for the day. Yesterday, STAF, it was running in the after hours. I started a position. I sold some in the pre. STAF. This company pays a dividend. The stock is up 94% as I do this video. At 153, 153, 153. It spiked as high as 2 something. It went over $2 in the pre early at 4 a.m. STAF. All right. So this was our overnight swing. Let's look for continuation today. They were a market cap of 6 mil. 6 mil on the market cap. 6 mil on the float. The float has 6 million. 34% of the float are insiders. Okay. 34% are insiders. They have a positive revenue of 233 million. 233 million in revenue. Their gross profit, 48 million. This is STAF. STAF. Gross profit, 48 million. Total cash in pocket, 14 million. 14 million in cash. Total debt, 76 million. 76 million in debt. That brings them to a current ratio of 0.45. Be careful with this one. It's below par. Par is at 1 for the current ratio. I like anything over 2. All right, but this one has nice price spike ability. Let's see what happens today. All right. Also interesting to note, their leverage free cash flow is a positive 1.07 million. A positive 1.7 million. This is rare for a penny stock. We like to see positive numbers with the leverage free cash flow, but a lot of pennies don't have it. All is in the minus, negative, negative. So the big winner yesterday was Dave's play, MDRR. A spectacular volume on the day. The volume increase was 1900% increase in volume for MDRR. Follow me on Twitter at the Petite for updates and alerts. Okay? I'll see you later. Dave Natch, I'm out. In the meantime,